Hello guys, it is me MarioTech and I'm back with another video. Today we are gonna talk about the new MacBook. Finally, Apple announced the new MacBook with 13-inch screen and some new features. This thing is beast, but wait a second, so I can tell you why. First, let's begin with the design. We think that we are gonna see some changes in the color options as was the case on the iPhone X. So we expect the new gold version to join the current silver and space gray options. But on the thin and the ways we don't expect any huge changes. In terms of the screen, don't expect Apple to give MacBook a touchscreen, but Apple is going to use an OLED display for the MacBook. This is according to sources at Korean ET News back in 2016. Now the current MacBook is available in one size, 12 inches, but a larger 15-inch model could be unveiled. But we expect Apple to offer 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pro models as well as 12-inch and 15-inch MacBook models, or maybe 12-inch and 14-inch MacBook as it used to sell. Mink IKUO, the Apple analyst predicts that the new MacBooks will offer a 16GB of RAM option, up from 8GB of RAM in the 2016 models, which is super cool. We think that the MacBook Pro is gonna support Thunderbolt 3 because there is a good reason. The standard allows for connection speeds up to 40 gigabits, double the speed of Thunderbolt 2. Whether a MacBook user really needs Thunderbolt is another question though, with it being a standard utilized in video production and other high power applications. For the graphics, we are expecting it to be the same as 2017 model, which were the Intel Graphics 615, up from the Intel Graphics 515. We expect Apple to use LTE connectivity. The patent describes the use of Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth and satellite connectivity, and mentions ways to boost the signal without interference from the metal body of the MacBook. Now for the best part of this video, the processor. In 2018 MacBook we expect to see Cannon Lake or Coffee Lake processors, which are the successors to Kaby Lake. There is also a Kaby Lake R refresh coming that could be used, but who know, maybe we can see an i7 or an i5 or even an i9 processors on the 2018 Mac. The MacBook Pro has a touch bar along the top of the keyboard for shortcuts, and for everything from menus to enjoys. It would make sense for Apple to introduce this touch bar to the MacBook. Keeping it to the MacBook Pro has made it such a novelty feature that there aren't that many functions being developed by third parties, but if it was found on more of Apple's Macs it might become more relevant. The biggest change on the new MacBook, it is the Apple Pencil. It's not the only new addition to the MacBook either. If another patent approval is anything to go by, the pencil in question features a number of sensors that could detect movement, orientation and depth, and according to the patent, it could be used with a Mac as an Air mouse, or possibly even a joystick for gaming. We think it's likely that Apple will update the MacBook Pro in June 2018. To coincide with WWDC, we may see new MacBook Pro models during the WWDC keynote. It is hard to specify the real price of the MacBook 2018, but according to those futures we think that is gonna be around $2,000. That is it for today guys, hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you wanna support us please share the video so more people can see it.